Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ProofHub for client collaboration and approvals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable ProofHub for client collaboration and approvals, start by logging into your ProofHub account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project you wish to share with your client. In the project dashboard, locate the settings option, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on Settings to open the project settings menu. Here, you'll find the Clients section. Select Add Client to invite a new client to collaborate on the project. Enter your client's email address and fill in any additional required information. Once the details are complete, click the Send Invitation button to invite the client. Your client will receive an email with a link to join the project. After they accept the invitation, you can assign them specific roles and permissions. To manage approval processes, go back to the project dashboard. Click on the Files tab to upload any documents that need approval. Upload the required files and documents for your client to review. Once uploaded, click on the file to open it. Find the Request Approval option, usually located in the Action menu. Select this to notify your client that they need to review and approve the file. Your client will receive a notification about the approval request. They can then review the document and provide their feedback directly in ProofHub. As feedback is received, you can track comments and revisions easily. Make sure to check the activity feed to stay updated on client interactions regarding the project. In summary, enabling ProofHub for client collaboration involves inviting your clients, assigning roles, uploading documents, and managing approvals effectively. With these steps, you'll streamline communication and ensure a smoother workflow with your clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.